and Adrian, owner of an auto business. Sorry. Sorry. I'm lucky I've got some water. Too long a speech. Sorry, my voice has got now. Sorry. Like Luke, the owner of a local restaurant and bar in Chapel Hill, Brisbane, who said JobKeeper saved our bacon, and Adrian, owner of an auto business in Moona, Hobart, who said JobKeeper has turned out to be a saviour. We effectively doubled unemployment benefits with the introduction of a temporary $550 coronavirus supplement for JobKeepers. We waived the waiting period, adjusted mutual obligation requirements and expanded the partner income test to ensure it reached those in need. With over 1.4 million Australians now receiving the payment, it is providing critical support. We announced two $750 cash payments. The first payment, totalling $5.2 billion, went out from the 1st of March to more than 7 million income support recipients, including pensioners, carers, veterans, those receiving family tax benefits and the Commonwealth Seniors Health Card holders. We provided tax-free early access to superannuation of up to $10,000 this financial year and up to $10,000 next financial year. To date, nearly 1.3 million early release of super applications have been released by the ATO, equating to about $10.6 billion, with an average withdrawal of around $8,000. We reduced the pension deeming rates, both the lower and the upper levels, to 0.25% and 2.25% at a cost of $876 million. We reduced the superannuation minimum drawdown rates by 50% for 2019-2020 and 2021 to give those in retirement more control over their savings. We worked with the banks and the prudential regulator to ensure households could get much-needed temporary relief from loan repayments. With repayments on $200 billion of loans deferred, the majority of which are residential mortgages, the financial pressure on many households has been lowered. An early childhood and education relief package of over $1.6 billion will see over 1 million families receive free childcare. This has allowed our childcare sector to remain open to support working families and vulnerable children through the pandemic.